got the top on now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the nasty edge with some more pearls. This time I'm going to use the little pearls. These are the little 4 millimeter pearls. And I'm going to do them the same way I did the pearls for the bottom. Just using basic, but I'm going to use pink instead of white, and I'm going to dust them the darker pink because I want to accentuate that curve. I'll get it in. There it goes. Okay, this is a little big, but we'll do it anyway. Just press it down. Use it up. It's very pretty. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Looks like it needs just a little bit of super pearl right there. There we go. All right. Need a little bit of water. And the front is where it peaks up. So we're just going to take that, put that right on there. Okay, I also want to do a little bit of a loop here, so when I do my next strand, I'm going to make a little bit of a loop in the front. Okay, what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of water on this guy, and I'm going to do just a little drop. Whoops. All right, I didn't put enough water on there, evidently. There we go. I just want to do a little bit of a drop right there. Oops. Don't worry, we'll just straighten that out. I want a little bit of a pearl drop. Okay, and then continue this on. Okay, I'm going to look at this to see if I got that rounded. There we go. That's how we want it. Make a pretty little little decorative accent there. And I'm just going to finish up the rest of this cake.